Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
BJP, long live! BJP, long live! BJP, long live! BJP, long live! BJP, ching chop, ching chop, ching chop, ching chop, ching chop. BJP ka 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 ching chop. Narendra Modi ka ching chop, ching chop, ching chop. Narendra Modi ji ka ching chop, ching chop, ching chop. Narendra Modi ka ching chop.
कि नोंगियालम का भारतीय जनता पार्टी मेघालय यूनिट किला लेकमेन हदीन बकसेंग कला यो बनरा या का नाम जॉब हाकी आर्तली की जिला कता हा वेस्ट बंगाल बट असम कि नोंगियालम का सेंग किला पेनपाव बट आई का नाम कबुरम शाउ डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी नोंगियालम उबसेंग या का बीजेपी दा का पेनपाव बका जिंगांगnud जंग उ या का बंगाल बट करी इंडिया मिंता कल उरलोंग कि नोंगियालम बट नोंकरशान का बीजेपी कि कनमाव बुरम या कने कसनी डाक बदम यला की खली कुम का जिंकन माव या की स्पांगुट की नोंग ट्रे जोंग का सेंग कि बाहय yang hasem की जोंग की बला IT यला का जोंग का जिंग इम बन पेंटिकना या का जिंग रॉय जोंग का बीजेपी बट का जिंग कियो हा बंगाल कि दिखत का सेंग किला आई खुबले रु या मंत्री रंग बादो करी नरेंद्र मोदी मंत्री kampo yeng u Amit Shah बट या प्रेसिडेंट करी नितिन नबिन halor ka jingjop ka ba ka seng kalala kilaong ba ka jingjop ha West Bengal ka de ka ba kongsan ha ka history jong ka san parthai election ha ka te ka jilla bat ka jat benriu ki brio jong ka Bengal kilarai ban penya de bat ka Jingangnud jong menteri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi ya ka viksit Bharat kila penpau ya ka jing ai khuble ya ki brio jong ka Bengal halor ka rai ka balashim Shibun की ड्रामा बाका TMC हा का जिंगलम का ममता बनर्जी हा का बैदे बर का SIR हा बंगाल वाटला लपंत्रे कमसुक या का हा कलेंग की खत आर्तली की जिला हा करी नीकरमेन बा की लियांग प्रशा मिंता की लासंगोथो बा का नेगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स बात की जिंगलम बकला किमत्रे कमशो हा का बैदे बर का जिंग जॉब का BJP हा बंगाल ना कल्याण का BJP मेघालय का आई खुबले ये कि नोंग त्रे का सेंग बट कित बॉक करवेंग ये कि नोंगियालम जोंग का BJP असम बाकिला यो या का जिंग जॉब हा कने का सेन रो
Narendra Modi zindabad 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 Sohail Haq zindabad 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 Sohail Haq zindabad 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 Modi ji zindabad 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 Meghalaya BJP ka jing job ka jing job
Talking about the BJP and the BJP victory. We're not talking for other political parties.
Meghalaya, I'm saying.
Even Meghalaya also, but BJP will be forming the government in 2028. That is very sure.
Yes. So you're giving a boost.
Yeah, there's so many leaders that call me not only today, for the last few days they want to join the BJP, and definitely many of them also we had the meeting with them and they are joining very soon. Two very senior leaders, the sitting MLA and also the former MLA and also MDC are joining BJP.
So in 28 you will be able to form the
I
government
told
here.
you also, but 28 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. West Bengal, we know that we are going to win, but we are not expected that much of margin. So, but it's a very, very Trump, victory for the BJP in West Bengal, Assam, and also Pondicherry.
I'll not want to comment on any other party, but BJP, you'll see double digit in 2028. So let's stick only to the party.
So how will you make it possible from 2 to 30 seats, 32 seats?
I said double digit.
We will work hard. And the people of Meghalaya, be it in urban and rural, now they have started accepting the good works of none other than Narendra Modi ji. So that's why we are winning. We will form the government in 2028.
See, so when BJP started with 2 seats only. So now they have come to 300 seats. So
Yes,
that
correct.
is also the trend in Meghalaya. With 2 seats, we are going to let the BJP government in the state of Meghalaya.
But being attached with
We are only alliance as in the government as a partner. But while we are talking about the election, we'll be fighting separately. And BJP will fight alone for the upcoming election in 2028
Like we have done in the last
election.
Wherever we travel, especially in the rural area, all the people, especially our brother from the Christian community, in 2028 they will vote 100% for BJP.
Yeah, and friends, I have just come from Bengal after campaigning there. So this time we are really proud to say that majority of the Christian, though the number is very negligible, they have voted in favor of BJP in Bengal.
Correct.
And the constituency where I had gone to campaign, Amta, it's in Howrah district. So our candidate is also from Zenji, is the general secretary of the Juba Morcha. So he has also won.
I'd like to thank all our friends from the press fraternity who have come and covered this our joyous occasion today. On this momentous occasion, BJP Meghalaya first of all pays rich tribute to Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, whose dream of inclusive Bengal and India finds realization today. We also bow our heads in memory of the hundreds of BJP workers, our family members, who laid down their lives to ensure the emergence of BJP and a new dawn of progress in Bengal. They were cruelly snatched from us by a brutal criminal regime. But the memory of their selfless sacrifice acts as an inspiration for party workers elsewhere and everywhere. The win in West Bengal, it is a momentous occasion in the history of electoral politics in the state and the nation. This change signals a victory of trust over fear and the absolute rejection of appeasement, infiltration, encouragement, syndicates, cut money and criminal politics. People of Bengal have decided to align themselves with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's dream of a Viksit Bharat. We extend our compliments to the people of Bengal on a decision well made. We have seen the drama that the TMC, led by Mamata Banerjee, had created in Bengal over the SIR, in spite of it being implemented peacefully across 12 states in the country. We hope that the opposition have now realized that negative politics and lies no longer work. A lot has been spoken about the large deployment of central forces in Bengal. Thanks to the extraordinary work done by the central forces, Bengal, for the first time, has seen a peaceful election. Admirable for a state where the average death rate in the election in the past had stood at 75 until now. BJP Meghalaya also extends heartiest congratulations and best wishes to party workers and leaders of Assam on an overwhelming victory once again. The third consecutive term of the BJP has secured in Assam provides and proves that good governance and people-friendly measures each time it is witnessed today. It's worth mentioning that the Christian community of Assam have voted completely for the BJP, and a trend which we will see being reflected in Meghalaya in this MP election and also in the 2028 LA election. Last but not least, this is Rahul Gandhi's and Congress' 99th defeat. some serious introspection is perhaps necessary. We, as a party, Meghalaya, we congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Home Minister, Amit Shah, and our National President, Mr. Naveen Nitin. And once in fact, we have a number of applicants, and once it has been decided, then we are going all out, whichever candidate comes in.
After the announcement of the
Because election is yet to be announced.
So with this result, you will be able to succeed?
Yes, definitely.
Of course.
Definitely. Yes, yes.
So, tell us more about your preparation for this by-election.
See, our preparation, just take an example of Assam. Okay, I think so this, after 10 years of BJP rule in Assam, other states, it's always an anti-incumbency. Here, what we find in Assam is a pro-incumbency. It does not happen. You see what has happened in Tamil Nadu? Anti-incumbency, right? But Assam, earlier our vote share, our number of seats have increased now. So you see, that is the ideology of BJP. Once you have a BJP government, that is what happens. You know, other parties become insignificant.
But don't you think it will be difficult because all these two states, big states, are Hindu majority states, whereas Meghalaya is a Christian majority states. It may not be a judge task to win.
No, you see, even if it's Christian majority also, but ultimately people want development. Okay, people want to see their children employed. People want to see their family members. You know, now what's happening is that even whatever qualifications you have also, it's either you leave the state or you should be happy with whatever meager wages that you get. I mean, people ultimately, what they want development in the state. And for that development, I mean, it's ample, very clear that it's only BJP can bring that kind of development.
So if you look at East, West,
For BJP?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. You mark my words. I'm saying today, you see 2028, you come back to us, you'll find BJP with double digit. I'll not say the numbers, but yes, double digit.